Okay, so now the exciting part. Your site is done, you've launched it internally, and you've got a few beta customers running. So here are just a few tips for how to do that. First of all, remember what we already talked about in another class about getting into the right mentality. It might not be a bad idea to listen to that class again on launch day. Try to clear your plate as much as you can on launch day. You don't need to completely clear your schedule, but you also don't want to be stressed out of your mind if something comes up. The next step is just sending out an email. I'll include a text version of a sample email that you can use, but basically this is what you want to do. You want to make sure that you have an attention-grabbing title, keep it short and to the point, tell the customer what you did by setting up this site, make sure to convey the fact that you did this because their business is important to you, tell them what the site will do for them, and lastly, give them a link to the site so they can click right from the email, and then hit the send button. So it's at this point that you need to get a button on your website pointing your customers to your Allmoxy site because they may not remember the URL and they don't want to go look up the email every time they need to get to the site. So get that button or link up and you're ready. And at that point, I want you to pat yourself on the back and get yourself a cold drink.